Hi, my name is Lorraine, and welcome to my interactive quiz, the first one I've made. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, and my quiz consists of one question on the novel written by Tolstoy, Anna Karenina. This is the first screen you will come to. These dolls have information. They're clickable and they go to information. You can read a little bit before taking the quiz. As you can see to the left, the information is hidden from the presentation, but will direct you there when you click on either of these prior to taking the quiz. You can access the quiz either by clicking on the blue arrow or on the book itself. And here is the quiz. The first answer is incorrect, which will take you to a picture of Tolstoy here, and it will say incorrect, giving you the opportunity to click on this go back arrow, which will take you back to the quiz, and you can have a second attempt. You click on the second doll here. There is Tolstoy telling you you are correct. At this stage, you can click next, and that will take you to the end of the quiz. There was a lot of work into this, and I thought we were just showing our skills rather than making an elaborate quiz. And I really enjoyed this assignment. Thank you.